Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hi everyone, it's me again, back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to uphold your Amazon account. So let's get started. First, you are going to open your Amazon account on your browser. Just type on Amazon and it will redirect you to your Amazon page. And then click on sign in. Just click on it and then input your email address. Make sure that your email address is still active and valid. And after that one, just input your password and click sign in. And there you can see that your account was temporarily on hold. So what should we do for that one? Now, just type down your full name. And next, click on country or region. Just select. And then next, go to your billing address. State the exact and complete billing address. After that one, just click on the city. From what city do you belong or do you live? And click on state or province. Find the state or province. Next, the zip code of your place. And then the last but not the least, input your phone number. And now browse down and click billing statement button. You'll see here details, click on it and it will give you options to choose from. Now if you don't have any document to attach, click enable button to choose your reason. Then click the yellow button, submit details.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.